Hi Queens and Kings, and welcome back to another Cook With Me tutorial. Today we are going to create a seafood delight. My cousin Tawana from Typical Tink showed me how to create this meal. So if you want to know how to create this delicious meal, just keep watching. You will need peeled, deveined, medium-sized shrimp, broccoli cuts, tilapia fillets, Zatarains yellow rice, and a seasoning of your choice. I'm going to fill my pot up with 3 cups of water and let it come to a boil. So after your water comes to a boil, you want to allow your seasoning from your Zatarains to water. So you do not want to cook it all the way because it will continue cooking once you bake it in the oven. Now I'm going to clean my shrimp and fish, and then I'm going to season it with some Cajun seasoning. After I finish seasoning my shrimp and fish, I'm going to pour my Zatarain's yellow rice and water into a foil pan. Now I'm going to mix in my shrimp and broccoli, and then I'm going to layer my fish fillets on the top. Now I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil and bake it in the oven at 420 degrees for 20 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious seafood delight.